Hi there. Today we will watch the way to solve desktop screen rotation problem easily. And as you can see that the screen is vertically rotated and it may happen due to pressing Ctrl, Alt and cursor keys. Okay. It may often happen. I also face this. So to fix it simply keep pressing Ctrl, Alt and cursor keys like left, right, down, bottom, etc. Okay, and any of those will fix it, and I'm just going to keep doing it. And you need not to memorize them, but pressing would help you to get the right position. And until you are done, keep trying, and when you are done, just simply left pressing. Done. And that was a simple way of doing so, fixing the problem. Hope you like the video, and please be with us and inspire. Goodbye.